Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aniga Maga Muhammad Nasir Hadda Aniga Hargesia, and today I show you Somali children football ground. This is the Somali children and this football ground for this team name future team. So please like, share and subscribe this. Thank you for watching this video. Mahasanit. Okay, let me see, watch this football ground. Assalamualaikum all sahib ka, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.